Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to add custom fonts to WordPress using the Fonts plugin. If you aren't using a page builder like Elementor, this is the fastest way to get over 1,400 Google fonts onto your site. The steps relate directly to your live preview, so you can see changes in real time. First, once you've installed and activated the Fonts plugin, head over to your admin sidebar and click on Fonts plugin, then Customize Fonts. This will automatically launch the WordPress theme customizer and open the specific font settings for you. Next, click on Basic Settings. This is where you set the foundation for your site's typography. You'll see drop-down menus for your main content, headings, and buttons. When you click a font family drop-down, you'll find system fonts at the top and a massive list of over 1,400 Google fonts below. Just select the font and the preview will update in the right instantly so you can see exactly how it looks before you commit. If you want to get more specific, click the back arrow and go into Advanced Settings. This is where the steps relate to individual parts of your site, like your navigation menu, sidebar, or footer. For example, in the Content section, you can set different fonts for each heading level, from H1 down to H6, or even style your block quotes separately. Once you are happy with the look, just hit Publish at the top. That's all there is to it. If this quick guide refreshed your site's branding, please hit that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to see how to pair these fonts for a professional tech blog look, and I'll see you in the next video.